The first one is bubble octopus. So let's open this bubble octopus. This is blue bubble with music and lights, so it looks funny. Let me see how it will work. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it comes with the wrench, and this is the bubble machine. And 2 extra bubble and band or something like that. Okay, so this one is, after opening this one, it looks like this. And there is so basically it needs 3 battery. There was a battery inside it, so it needs 3 AA battery. So let's one battery here, then one here and one here and one here. So the battery is not included, so and we already put it here in the put it here, and then just have to take this one. So you just have to place and here. There you are, fine. Oh, so it stopped working. Sometimes it's just stopped working, so you just have to put the battery carefully, and because of the loose or something, I don't know, but sometimes it's not working. I mean, this works fine, but sometimes it doesn't work, and it's really fun to, and it's a fun instrument for the kids. They will definitely enjoy this one, and yeah, I like it, but sometimes I don't know whether this product is defective or what. It stopped working. But this one is like really a great one for kids, and for the kids entertainment, this one is a great one. I really like it. So this one is the set. Let's open it. So these are the things.
What's in the box? Let's open it. See?
Okay.
Open it.
Oh, okay. So it comes with like 2 colors
Colors.
and some googly eyes and some glitters
It's glitches.
and these are some funny
Colors.
stickers.
The stickers. There's in
Too.
here
And
are.
some stickers.
There's in here.
And these are the stones. Oh, so you have to color these stones. These are the stones.
What's this?
Okay, so we'll color one and we'll see how it looks.
That's red.
Okay, we'll color it.
Let's red it.
Okay.
Let's put paint.
Red.
Let's try red. Red. Give me one red. First, let's put some.
Red color.
Let's put some red to rock.
Oh.
Look, it's coloring. We need to see in here. Red, it's
Uh-huh.
teeny. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Red.
8, 9.
We'll paint it red.
This is red. There's stick. Look, sticker.
No, don't put the stickers.
Let's come here to see. Wow, it's warm.
Now, which color you need?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Okay, put some yellow color on the stone.
Yellow. Yellow glitter. Look, starry. Look, it's orange.
So you can decorate the stone whatever the way you want. I just did it like this way. Yeah, it's just a fun activity for kids. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's just to do some time pass activity for kids. That's like a to engage your kids. It's like a great way. Yeah, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.